Life is short, and you might as well have a bit of unique fun and whimsy, something that is beautiful both day and night, adding that little bit of sparkle and interest to your own home. I'm not sure if my favorite part is the design that comes out of that beautiful copper lantern, or the sparkle and whimsy of the fairy lights, or just the impact and effect it has overall, but it's just honestly so fun. During the day, the beautiful copper gives off that glow and it just looks wonderful on its own. So easy. The solar does the charging, no wiring necessary. First impression, that copper feels well made. Here's a solar receptor. It's quite large, maybe 3 inches out of the top. There is an on and off button. You do need to hit it on. And here, if I'm covering the solar receptor mimicking dusk, it does come on and illuminate with that warm white light that slides right into the top of this watering can, nice and snug. And you can see those fairy lights activated as well. You can separate those once you get it set. The spout has 2 little notches that slide into 2 little slits. Assembly is a breeze with that. Here we go, just sliding it into place, and it kind of locks and stays nice and sturdy. Handle assembly is just as easy as well. Overall, it feels well constructed, pretty solid. Love the just kind of durable feel of that, and I love the sparkle and shine of the light. As far as the post, you simply screw these 3 pieces together. You can use some or all of them for a total height of 32 inches, and it does stick out about 11 inches from the pole once all assembled. The watering stand itself is about 7 inches high and a total of 10 inches from the hanging base. The fairy heights dangle a maximum height of 27 inches. Solar powered, rated for resistance to water, heat, frost, and elements. A 6-hour charge provides illumination for 8 to 10 hours in the evening. Just place it wherever is convenient for you and let it dazzle each evening. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. This is so cute and adorable.